Hi friends, Miles here and I am back with another video at masaya yung topic natin ngayon. Recently, I made a video about sa kung ano yung gagawin mo kung yung mga kasama mo is nag-resign na. So if hindi nyo pa napapanood yun, ililink ko siya dito. But for context, in that video, I talk about kung ano yung mga dapat nyong gawin, like following your plan, your goals, your strategy sa career growth nyo or something. Being objective sa mga dapat mong gawin kung lahat is nagsisipag-resign na. Pero in contrast sa video na yon, ito naman is magpo-focus ako para i-encourage kayo na mag-resign. Pero hear me out, panoorin nyo yung buong video para makuha nyo yung buong thought ng gusto ko sabihin. Bago yan, please like, share, and subscribe. It will really help the channel out. At di ko na patatagalin pa. Ito na yung sign kung bakit dapat ka mag-resign. It's the end of the year. It's December. It's a good season to end things. Andito na yung mga results ng performance year, yung mga bonuses, yung 13th month, yung cash gift. Anything na nagpapahirap sa'yo, I think it is the right time para iwan yun. Now, I've been getting a lot of messages from colleagues and mga complete strangers na subscribers ko. And honestly, it's really hard to give advice kasi you're not in that situation. It may appear na parang ini-invalidate mo yung nararamdaman nila, but yeah, in that part, yung objective part, I think na-discuss ko na yun sa previous video ko. So this time, i-encourage ko naman kayo. At yung pinaka-nangunguna talaga sa issue is yung mga nagsasabi na gusto na nila mag-resign because they feel stuck or wala nang progress yung career nila, they are underappreciated. Obviously, if ganun na yung nararamdaman mo, I think it is the right time to move on. Now, for the reason why, syempre, I think a new environment would really help into that, new set of people to work with. Minsan, a fresh start would really help us to go further sa mga careers natin. And since I know some of these people na nagre-reach out sa akin, I know that they are skilled. It's just that there are factors na hindi natin kontrolado. The only thing that we can control is kung asan tayo. Personally, I've told this many times nga sa career ko, diba? I felt the burnout, the stop feeling, tapos hindi nga ako nagmo-move sa career ko. So, I decided to go. And right now, I feel like meron ako mga bagong natututunan, bagong people na na-meet, and it really gave me a fresh feeling. Yeah, maybe in 3 or 4 years, ma-feel ko na naman to. But definitely, I will consider moving again. And I think everyone should. Sabi nga nila, a rolling stone gather no moss. So, let's be that rolling stone. And alam ko na katakot, there are a lot of uncertainties. I felt that too bago ako mag-resign. But I promise you, it will be worth it. Nasa age na tayo, lalo na yung mga millennials and Gen Zs na napapansin ko based on studies is yung tinatagal ng mga tao is 2 years na lang sa isang company. Especially, I think, in foreign countries, lalo na sa West. The IT industry there moves constantly and palipat-lipat lang sila, moving through different companies, organizations, and technologies na ginagamit. So yeah, I think that is one thing na pwede nating i-improve dito sa Pilipinas, no? So pwede natin siyang i-normalize yung constant na pag-move kasi it's good overall para sa atin. And yeah, medyo napahaba tayo doon, pero ayun nga, if you're stuck, if you're unappreciated, go somewhere else. Yung next set of people naman na kumukontak sa akin is syempre yung mga naghahanap ng salary increase. There's this one colleague that messaged me and told me na yung isang tao before is still in the same level as before. And mind you, I worked with that person, I think 4 years ago, 3 years ago. And that really made me sad because I know that person. I know yung kakayahan niya, I know yung potential niya. And it's really sad to hear na hindi siya nagpo-progress. That goes with the role as well as yung salary. Kasi yun din naman talaga yung habol natin. Let's be honest, kaya tayo nagpapapromote is yung salary. So, obviously, yung advice ko is umalis na siya kasi parang ako personally, I won't really accept na gano'n ako katagal. Tapos yung salary ko, ganun pa rin. At nakakabaliw naman talaga yung inflation dito sa Pilipinas. I mean, that's another topic, no? But yeah, we're trying to beat that as we work. So that's why we're trying to do our best na ma-promote or at least decent na salary increase. There are a lot of companies that will offer higher compensation for the same job that you do, and that's the reality. It's about time that you become selfish and look after yourself because in the end, ikaw lang naman talaga yung makapag-save sa sarili mo. Kaya kung feeling mo underpaid ka at may magbibigay sa'yo ng mas malaking pera, then mag-resign ka na. And lastly, meron din namang mga nag-message na gusto lang nila magpahinga because of burnout or gusto lang mag-explore ng mga iba't ibang bagay. Resignation doesn't always mean an ending. Minsan, isa lamang yung pause. And in this time, syempre, pwede kang mag-heal, pwede kang mag-rest, recuperate, protect your peace. And as someone who did that, I really advise that you do. And I would go as far to say na dapat meron talagang sabbatical dito sa Pilipinas. I'm not sure. Ang alam ko lang meron unpaid leaves or extended leaves up to 3 months. But I think the sweet spot is 1 year. Pero syempre, kailangan meron doon kayong ipon, may emergency fund kayo, ready kayo sa mga pwedeng mangyari habang wala kayong trabaho. So yeah, in that time, pwede na kayo mag-try. Kunyari, gusto nyo mag-business or maggala, mag-travel, or mag-ready lang para bumalik sa corporate in the next 2 years, whatever. Do whatever you want. And yun nga, if ganun nga yung reason nyo, I highly suggest na mag-resign kayo. So yeah, I think nasabi ko na naman lahat ng gusto kong sabihin. Thank you for watching. And again, if you are someone that feels that way and you need advice, gusto nyo nang kausap further, message me or mag-comment lang kayo dito sa YouTube video na to. Antayin ko yung mga messages nyo at comments nyo. Medyo maingat na din ako sa paggawa ng videos kasi nakasubscribe na yung mga office mates ko. Nagpapa-shoutout din pala yung mga may balak na mag-resign. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, wag me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.